on Business Tonight.
That's right. He's a first-generation entrepreneur who founded HCL Technologies. He's also betting big on the one thing that perhaps India needs to focus on, which is, of course, education.
That's right. After establishing the Shiv Nadar University in Delhi, or the National Capital Region, Shiv Nadar is excited about turning professor on campus. Here's Shiv Nadar in an exclusive conversation with Supriya about what his education plans are.
A lot of what my concepts of education is about building leadership, having alternatives, having your ability to change your course midway, and finding competitive talent which is in the backyards of this country.
There's something that I want to ask you. You've taken many lessons in entrepreneurship. You've interacted with entrepreneurs on our channel and otherwise as well. Any lessons that Shiv Nadar is going to be taking? Any classes that you would perhaps be taking on campus?
I would, given a choice, I would go and live there for, a semester or something, and then teach.
And what would you want to
I
teach?
know that I'm pretty good at that. Most of the entrepreneurs of this industry were somewhere around me at some time or other.
True, which is why I'm asking you that question. But what would you want to teach on campus?
I have to wait for the business school to start. And in the business school, I would want to formally teach entrepreneurship. People could learn something from, because I can put together, I'll have to prepare a lot, but I can put together entrepreneurship of this country, not only from my experience. Mine is a lifetime of seeing entrepreneurs around. I've seen what works, what has not worked, and during what period, and I have close interaction with public companies, public sector companies. So it could be something which I would love to impart to others.